Can you drive with bad motor mounts? The engine mounts happen to be what connect points that secure the engine itself to the chassis of the vehicle. A motor mount happens to be the part that secures the engine in the car. For some vehicles, the engine and transmission are securely bolted together and held in place by 3 or 4 mounts. This mount that tightens the transmission is what we call the transmission mount, while others are referred to as motor mounts. Symptoms of a bad motor mount. Before we dive, quickly click on the subscribe button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. And impact noises. This is one of the common symptoms that is connected with worn motor mounts which come from the engine bay. A broken, worn, or damaged motor mount can cause banging, clunking, and other impact type of sounds as a result of the weight of the engine shifting too much to the point of contact. Too many vibrations. Having too much vibration is a common symptom of a dying motor mount. Once you begin to observe too many vibrations in your car, then it is caused by a failing mount. A compromised positioning of your engine. Any engine which shows to be lopsided or out of alignment, which is not in its normal position, is an engine with broken or damaged motor mounts. And in addition, to securely keep an engine inside the vehicle hood section to stabilize its movements. So, can you drive your car with bad motor mounts? Technically you might be able to drive your car with bad motor mounts, but it is difficult and dangerous. How long can you drive with broken motor mounts? Most engines, such as an inline-six, are naturally balanced, and won't vibrate as much as engines that are intrinsically unbalanced. Although some of the latter have internal balancing. So you need to understand that the number of motor mounts are determined by what the car producers felt was needed, so you are driving on borrowed time if you don't get the broken motor mount solved. What happens when motor mounts go bad? Your vehicle has broken belts and hoses. Your vehicle's engine vibrating. Your vehicle's engine is damaged. Your vehicle has a misalignment. Just like many other parts in the vehicle, motor mounts are sometimes more complex and vital than they might appear at first glance. Some car owners understand that anything that has to do with the words motor and mount is very vital. I hope this video was educational. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye.